3 years ago, I would have thought I didn't even think I was going to be graduating. I didn't think I was going to be alive. And now I'm straight A's, getting to walk across the stage when everybody thought I wasn't gonna. Shodair, I was scared my first time going in there. It's scary, but they're to heal, help, and inspire hope. And that's not just their quote. That is what they do.
When Brooke first started down that path of self-harm and non-conformance, we were concerned she wasn't even going to make it through high school.
The Champions program was designed by Children's Miracle Network for hospitals to showcase a patient of care and the importance of that care that they've received, in showing that we've been able to help them with their health issues, either on the psychiatric side or on the genetic side that we offer here at the hospital.
This year being with CMN, I would say it's definitely been an amazing year. I have had so many experiences I've never thought I'd have in my whole life. I get to go down to Orlando for a conference and also get to speak on Capitol Hill and explain what they can do to help with mental health.
I think that's going to have a huge impact on our senators, on our legislators, to let them know the importance of the work that we're doing. We can go in as professionals and try to communicate these needs, but it doesn't have the same meaning as somebody that's lived it. So we're really excited for that opportunity for her to be able to meet with Montana's congressional delegation to tell her story.
My favorite part is just being the advocate I am and being able to get it to a wider spectrum of people.
You know, yesterday at the dance marathon, when I asked the question of how many people, have been affected by mental health directly or indirectly, it's always, 95, 100% of the hands go up, especially with the younger kids. And what becomes really important about Brooke is she can relate to the kids. You listen to her, because it's real.
Shodair definitely changed me for the better. I was in such a dark, dark hole. And they gave me the help, gave me a ladder, and I climbed that ladder out of that hole. And they gave me the tools, they gave me the medication I needed, they were with me 24/7 when I needed it. There was always somebody I could go to. Everyone has their own rock bottom, in my opinion, whether that's being that close to death, or for other people it could just be that realization that in that dark set of your mind, there's that little tiny speck of light that can speak up, and that's what you want to fight for. And I think it just balances between rock bottom and the decision. I think me sharing my story and getting up there is going to be able to not just help other people get help with their mental health, but be able to speak about it openly.
It's been awesome just to watch her blossom. I mean, she talks and she smiles because she knows that message is being sent.
I am very proud of Brooke for overcoming her mental health crisis. I'm just very thankful she's here on earth with me. Just so proud of her for everything she is. She's an amazing young lady, and she's gonna move mountains.
It's hard to work with children and their families that are on the brink of death. But it's a hopeful place, and it's bright and beautiful and compassionate, and we meet people where they are. We meet children where they are, and we meet families where they are, so that the plan can be developed that is appropriate for them and individualized for them.
My biggest worry with her when she went there was I didn't want her to be on all kinds of pills and be zombified. That was my big concern. I didn't want them to misdiagnose her. When you think of a mental health facility, you might get scared. You might think of that they over-medicate your child, or the harassment that you hear of. Shodair is not that. If it wasn't for Shodair, I don't think Brooke would still be here today.
I think families walk through Shodair's front doors pretty hopeless sometimes, and scared and not knowing what to expect or where to go. I can't imagine what it feels like as a mom to leave my child behind and drive home alone. But know that we work at Shodair because we care about the kids, because we want to help them, we want to do good.
I think what can give people the best chance for a hopeful future is to make sure they have supports. to understand themselves, but be able to ask for help. I think for all of us it's hard sometimes when we're struggling to ask for help, but if you're able to do that and build your supports, whether that's people that you know, whether it's professionals that you know that can support you and have your back, that can make a huge impact on your ability to move forward in life.
They've saved not just my life, but so many other kids' lives, and so many more to come. And them healing, helping, inspiring hope, that's exactly what they do. And they did that for me, and I would never take that back for anything.
At Shodair, we provide state-of-the-art genetic services as well as comprehensive children's psychiatry services.
Reach out for more information or visit our website at shodair.org.